Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna get started with the Too Faced Peach palette here, grabbing the Candied Peach shadow. So this is more like a peachy pink, and then going in with Spice from the e.l.f. Retro palette. I'm just gonna be adding this on top of my crease line. I'm just gonna be blending these two colors. So with the same two shadows, I'm going to be adding this to the outer corner of my eye and then blending in. So I'm going back to the peach palette and grabbing that shadow Nectar, and I'm going to be applying this where I applied the concealer. Now I'm going to be grabbing this eyeshadow canvas from the e.l.f. Retro palette. I'm going to be adding this to my brow bone and then blending that out. So once I'm done adding my eyeliner, I'm going to be adding some eyelashes, and these are from Amazon. I forgot the name of them, but lately I've been grabbing some eyelashes from there. So I'm going to be adding some highlight to my brow bone and everywhere else, some setting spray, and then going in with this nude lipstick on my lips. So I did apply the lip liner all over my lips, and I'm topping it off with this lip gloss. This is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next one.